Hi, in this video I am going to show you that how you can make changes in your website. First of all, you have to go to your dashboard, and when you access your dashboard you have to hover over on our way to greatness, and from here you can click on visit site. After that, a new page will open, and this is the home page of your website. Okay, this is the header of your website, and this is the body section. Okay, and this is the footer section. Okay, and first of all I'm going to show you that how you can change the content of your header section. Okay, for this you have to come again on your dashboard, and from here you have to search template, and in template you have to click on theme builder, and now you have to click on header tab. Okay, and from here you can click on edit with Elementor, and when you click on edit with Elementor a new page will open. Okay, and from here when the page loads you have to click on uh, if you want to change the image you have to simply click on edit. Okay, this pencil icon, you have to click on this pencil icon and you have to click here, and from here if you want to change your image you can change, and after selecting the image simply click on insert media. Okay, that's it. And if you want to change the social media links, click on this pencil icon. Okay, and simply click on Twitter, and if you want to change the icon simply select whatever icon you want to add and click on insert. After inserting you have to paste the URL of the social media. Okay, and if you want to open the URL in a new tab you have to click on open in new tab. You have to check on open in new tab. Okay, after that if you want to change the logo simply click here and you can change the logo from here. Okay, and if you want to change the content simply hover here, click on pencil icon. If you want to change the content simply add more content. Okay, and if you want to change the heading simply click here, add whatever you want, and if you want to change the content of this paragraph click here in text tab. Okay, simply add text. Okay, and if you want to add the URL you have to change this content with in the 2 commas. Okay, and if you want to change this image, and this image is the background image. Okay, simply click on this row and click in style tab and click on this image and simply change the image. Okay, and if you want to change the content of your about page simply click on about. Okay, click on edit page, click on edit with Elementor. You want to change the content, simply change it. Okay, after changes, don't forget to click on update. Okay, that's it. Simply you can change the content of extra and contact us and podcast pages.